Hello guys, welcome to another English activity. In this activity for week number 5, I have brought a video for you because I want you to learn some pronunciation, some English pronunciation. The pronunciation that you should learn now is about regular verbs in simple past. So because in English we have many different mistakes when you say a verb in past. For example, some people say walk it when this is totally incorrect. This is not a pronunciation. Or capture it, or escape it, or attack it, sorry, or maybe receive it, or open it. These verbs are pronunciated in the incorrect form. They are not proper to say. If you want to say, instead of walk it, you say walked. Instead of say capture it, you say captured. You say attack it, that is incorrect, but you have to say attacked. The pronunciation depends on the final sound of the verb. So if you want to learn more about English pronunciation, so I have brought you a link video in order to watch the video on YouTube. But speaking of which, I have a general class in order to show you how to do this. We have 3 different pronunciation for the verbs in simple past. For example, pronunciation is id, pronunciation is t, and pronunciation is v. 3 different pronunciations. So let's go to our reading and pay attention to the pronunciation of those verbs. Activity 1, Spider-Man's birthday. Pay attention to the pronunciation because it's very important to learn how to pronounce verbs in English. Read the story. It was a sunny and beautiful day. Spider-Man walked home from work. A big horrible monster attacked the New York City. It was a huge octopus. It captured a school. However, some students escaped and called Spider-Man. Spider-Man jumped to a wall and kicked the octopus in his eye. However, Octopus was strong and continued fighting. Finally, Spider-Man used his web and tied the octopus. Spider-Man saved everyone, so he was really tired. He stopped near his home and opened the door. Suddenly, Batman and Wonder Woman jumped and shouted, "Happy birthday, Spidey!" Spider-Man was really surprised. All his friends were there. It was his birthday party. He received many gifts. He received a new powerful gun from Iron Man, a sword from Wonder Woman, a motorcycle from Captain America, and cars from Joker. It was a great party. They played cards, talked, and laughed all night. Spider-Man was really happy. As you can see here, the pronunciation of the verb past were very not difficult. They were very strange. For example, I never say walk. I say walked, captured, attacked, escaped, saved, used, tied, opened, jumped, shouted. Let me give you a little clue how to pronounce these verbs in past. Listen. When the sound, when the verb ending is a sound that vibrates in your throat, in your pipes, so the verb past is final the. For example, save, the verb save, if you put your finger here in your throat and you say save, you can feel here that is a vibration. Save, save. So that's why the pronunciation with the verbs with vibration is final D. This one. This one. Saved. In past. Saved. Spider-Man saved. Spider-Man saved. He received. Spider-Man saved. Because the vibration is here. The second pronunciation is t, this one. This pronunciation. Why is t instead of d? Because now the ending at the ending of the verb, the sound is not here in the throat, in the vibration here. The sound is plowed here in your mouth. For example, you say walk, walk. It's not vibration. Walk. It's not vibration. It's a sound here in your mouth. You say walked. Here's the sound walked. So that's why the verb in past is walked. Use, use, listen and watch that the vibration is not here. The sound is in your mouth. Use, use. Here's your sound. So that's why in past the verb is used. Final T. This pronunciation. And finally D. Final id. It happens when the verb ends in final T or final D. I mean the pronunciation. So I don't have an example here. Yes, I have an example here. The verb is shout. The sound is T. Shout. So that's why the past simple of this verb is shouted or shouted. Shouted. Jumped and shouted. Jumped and shouted. Happy birthday, Spidey. So that's why it happens because the verb sounds is final T. Shout. Okay, let's continue to another activity, right? In this case, I have activity number 2. Match the gift that the heroes, from the heroes. Okay, it means that what did Iron Man bring to Spidey? A car, a bicycle, Wonder Woman. What did Wonder Woman bring to Spidey? So you have to read here this information and you can find the answer of this. For example, Batman and Wonder Woman jumped and shouted happy birthday. Spider-Man was really surprised and friends were there. It was his birthday party. He received many gifts. Here is the answer, right? He received a new powerful gun from, and the person is over there. So what you have to do? You have to match, you have to match with the person, the present, the gift. These are the gifts. Estos son los regalos. These are people. These are superheroes. Y aquí están los superhéroes, ¿no? Activity number 3. Activity number 3 is easy. You have to write here the past of these verbs. For example, walk, the past is, if I remember correctly, walk, here is the past, right? So you complete here the past and you look up for the meaning in a dictionary. You can use word reference dictionary if you want. Attacked. So what is the past of the verb attacked? Here is the past. So you write this past here and the meaning in Spanish or English. But I prefer to write it in Spanish, right? You write the meaning in Spanish. So you complete a full activity, right? For example, let's do the first one. Walked in past, walked in past. And the meaning is caminar. My mistake here. Yeah, that's okay. So you complete a list. Complete. Activity number 4. Answer the question if it's true or false. Verdadero o falso. True or false according to the reading. So we have to go to this activity and you have to read again the previous reading, right? The previous page. So number 1. A big horrible monster attacked in New York City? Let's go and look up for the information. A big horrible monster attacked in New York City. A big horrible monster attacked in New York City. Is that true? Is that false? Your answer, you have to circle your answer, right? It captured a school. What did the monster capture? It captured? Yeah, the answer is there. So you have to say true or false. That is activity number 4, right? Finally, we have and the information that you have already asked me many times. I'm going to say that in Spanish. Yo se lo he dicho mucho en español esto. Las actividades las realizan semanalmente. Yo pido que las envíen a mi correo para este curso. Mi correo está aquí en la página, como se puede ver. Pero a mí me favorece de que me manden evidencias con una captura de lo que ustedes han enviado, ¿no? No es necesario que me manden toda la actividad a mi teléfono WhatsApp. Me mandan una captura con el correo enviado de su actividad realizada con sus nombres y apellidos. Y yo voy chequeando quiénes realizan la actividad o no. Las actividades se deben de hacer semanalmente. Usted está en la obligación de hacerlo. Y yo estoy en la obligación de chequear esa actividad. Esta actividad no es opcional, se las realizan siempre. Opcional es que usted me envíe evidencia o no. Eso yo lo he mencionado muchas veces a este grupo, pero al parecer ha habido un malentendido, pero creo que con este nuevo video que estoy haciendo ya puedan tener en claro esa parte importantísima, ¿no? Como les decía yo al principio, tenemos cómo pronunciar estos verbos, ¿no? En pasado, verbos regulares. Pueden visitar el video link para que puedan aprender más de aquello, ¿no? So the class is over, and I hope you have enjoyed the class. See you in another English activity. Goodbye. Thank you. And do your homework. Thank you.